was born a rock and roll man. It just took me a little bit longer to understand. Some bad things had to happen along the way, but I stand before you, a rock and roll man today. When I was just a kid, I never really fit in. Always wondered why I wasn't like my little friends. So I paid close attention, I did everything they did. I knew right there that wasn't it. Got a little older, well, as I started playing ball, had one thing in mind, you know, that was just to kill them all. So I busted my ass until I busted my knee. In the blink of an eye, they took it all away from me. You know, I was 20 years old before I picked up my first guitar. Something deep inside said, son, this is who you are. So I played every day until my fingers started to bleed. I knew back then I finally found me. Cause I was born a rock and roll man. It just took me a little bit longer to understand. Some bad things had to happen along the way, but I stand before you, a rock and roll man today. I got the text and yes, I started writing songs. My best friend Cotton, you know, man, he always would sing along. I really miss you, brother, rest in peace, cause now you're gone. But you'll live forever in my heart and in my song. I remember very clearly what he said just 2 days before he died. Said, I can't believe, man, what you've done in such a short time. He made me promise one thing, what's that? That was just never quit. Well, I just laughed and said, alright, man, and that was all there was to it. I was born a rock and roll man. It just took me a little bit longer to understand. Some bad things had to happen along the way, but I stand before you, a rock and roll man today. I was born a rock and roll man. It just took me a little bit longer to understand. Some bad things had to happen along the way, but I stand before you, a rock and roll man today.